I am studying in standard 6th. Today I am very happy to speak about Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. Republic Day is very important day for India. On the day India became a republic. The Constitution started on this day. Our Constitution is the law of our country. India is my country and I love my country very much. Many freedom fighters worked very hard. They fought for our freedom. They gave us a free country. So we should always respect our freedom fighters. Our national flag is very beautiful. Our flag has three colors aside from white and green. The blue Ashok Chakra in the middle. We should always respect our national flag on Republic Day. We sing the national anthem. We see a big person on TV. Surgeon march and band play music. We feel proud to be Indian. We should be good children. We should listen to our teachers. We should obey our parents. We should keep our school and country clean. Let's us promise today. We will be good citizens of India. We will love our country. Happy Republic Day to all. Jai Hind, Jai Hind.